Hey guys, it's Mr. Bison, and as you know, results day is just around the corner, so I imagine nerves are probably starting to set in just a little bit. Now, I hope you've been having the most amazing summer. I have been to Italy, I've just come back from the Edinburgh Fringe Festival, both of which were amazing trips. So let me know what you've been up to. Hopefully you've been celebrating the freedom with your friends. Now, for results day, I'm expecting pretty much everyone should be getting the grades that they need, the grades that they deserve, and you can just use results day as an opportunity to give yourself a pat on the back and really celebrate for all of that hard work that you put into it. And celebrate your friends as well. I bet your families are going to really want to be there for you too. But of course, things might not go to plan. And if you think that there's a possibility things could have gone wrong a little bit, the best thing to do over these next few days is just to kind of think through a bit of a backup plan. Are you going to want to go with your insurance offer for university? Might you go through clearing? And I'd recommend you having an adult that you really trust on results day, whether it's a teacher or a parent, who can help you go through that process. Probably also worth thinking about if you're close to a grade boundary, asking your school whether it's worth it being remarked, as that's something that can also kind of get you to the university if you need it. They can do those remarks pretty quickly. Then the other thing I just wanted to mention is your friends, when you ask them about how they did, I'd really recommend you saying to them, rather than what grades did you get, just say, are you happy with how it went? Are you happy with your grades? Did you get what you needed? Because people don't always want to share what grades they've got, and it isn't really a competition. If they're your friends, you really just care if they're happy with what they've got. So if you do want to see how we do on Thursday, I will be putting a video up then, and I will also be going through all of my marks as well. So fingers crossed for all of us. Please do subscribe. Please do stay subscribed to the channel. Even if I've just helped you a little bit, I'm working my way towards 100k, and it would mean the world to me if you stuck around. So wishing you the best of luck for Thursday, and I will see you then.